Introduce short overview with pictures or clip video. This is video introduce about MOCHAG GSM 900MHz cell phone signal booster amplifier, 2G, 3G, 4G mobile signal amplifier repeater antenna kits. Short overview include: premium material. This phone signal repeater is made of high-quality alloy material that has high hardness, good heat resistance. Large coverage. The mobile phone signal repeater is strong and covers a large range of 50 to 200 square meter or 538 to 2152 square feet. So you do not need to worry about missing phone calls or network. GSM 900 MHz repeater. The GSM 900 MHz signal repeater has nice performance, high gain, low operating temperature, and ultra-low noise receive, making it perfect for people needing fast uploads and downloads for streaming apps. ALC technology. ALC technology enables it to operate within the specified output power with less interference and can also protect the host. Useful functions. The signal repeater can effectively enhance mobile phone signal strength, improve communication quality, reduce cell phone radiation, and protract cellular battery life. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.